I've been using Windows Search my entire life, and every single time, it's the same thing. You type a file name, you know the file exists, you literally just saved it, and Windows says it can't find it. So last week, I got tired of it. I stopped using it completely, and I replaced it with something else, something that finds any file on your computer before you even finish typing. After a week of using it, I'm not going back. It's not even close. It's called Listary. It's free, and the first time you use it, you'll be angry at how long you've been dealing with Windows Search. You open it, you start typing, and results appear before your fingers leave the keyboard. No spinning circle, no waiting, just results. The first time I used it, I thought something was broken because there's no way it searched my entire hard drive in that time, but it did. And the best part, it monitors your files in real time. You add, delete, or move something, and it knows immediately. It uses almost no resources in the background, and it's been around for years. Now here's where Listary gets really interesting, because it doesn't just replace Windows Search. It works everywhere. Let me show you. You're inside File Explorer. You just start typing. A small search window pops up at the bottom of the screen. You type the file name, it shows up, you hit enter, done. You didn't click anything. You didn't open anything. You just typed. But here's the part that really gets me. You know when you're saving a file in an app like Photoshop or Word, and that tiny file dialog window opens, and you have to click through 10 folders to get to where you want to save it. With Listary, you just press Ctrl+G, and it jumps to the folder you already have open in File Explorer. Instantly. No clicking through folders, no dragging and dropping, and there's more. You can double tap the control key anywhere on your computer, any app, any screen, and a search bar appears. From there you can search for files, launch apps, open folders, just type. It also works as an app launcher. You don't need to go to the start menu. Double tap Control, type the app name, hit enter. It opens, and Listary watches your files constantly, in real time. You download a file, it knows. You rename a folder, it knows. You delete something, gone from the results immediately. No refresh button, no restarting the app, it just updates. And even if you close Listary and open it again later, even after a restart, it catches up on everything that changed while it was closed. You don't lose anything, but speed is only part of the story. Listary also has some search features that Windows Search doesn't even come close to. You can search by file type. Type star.mp3 and every music file on your computer shows up. Star.pdf, every document. Simple. You can use wildcards. You remember part of a file name but not all of it. Type the parts you remember with a star in between. It finds it. You can exclude things. Type an exclamation mark before a word, and Listary removes those results. So if you want all images except screenshots, you can do that. And all of this happens instantly. You type, results change. No waiting. Now, is there a catch? Kind of, but not really. Everything I just showed you works in the free version. The search, the launcher, the file dialog shortcut, the real-time monitoring, all free. There is a pro version. It adds things like custom actions, unlimited filters, and workspace grouping. If you're a developer or a power user, it might be worth it. But for most people, the free version has everything you need. One more thing, Listary only searches file names. It doesn't search inside files. So if you're looking for a document that contains the word budget, but the file is called notes.docx, Listary won't find it by searching budget. But here's the thing, how often do you actually search by content? Most of the time, you know the file name, or at least part of it. And for that, Listary is unbeatable. Let me put this in perspective. Windows Search takes several seconds to find a file by name if it finds it at all. It runs in the background, and sometimes your fan spins up just because it's working. Listary finds the same file before you finish typing, and you never even know it's running. Same task, completely different experience. Getting Listary is simple. Go to the website, I'll put the link in the description. Download it, install it. It takes about 10 seconds. Open it, and you're done. No account, no sign-in, no setup wizard with 10 pages of options. Windows Search has been frustrating people for years, and the fix has been sitting there this whole time. Free. Faster than anything Microsoft has built. If this helped, the like button is right there. Don't forget to subscribe. YouTube thinks you might enjoy this next one on screen. Check it out. I'm 404 Found. See you in the next one.